You'll have love at first sight with the 2021 Toyota Tacoma. This vehicle still has fewer than 15,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This rugged Tacoma has the features and attitude to answer your spirit's call for adventure. Engineered to meet the demands of the trail, its off-road heritage underpins its tough capability, while its modern technology keeps you safe, connected, and entertained. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, power windows, bucket seats, AM/FM stereo, power steering. Get serious about your fun. Get into this rugged Tacoma and answer the call to adventure. We've got the expertise and professionalism to make your purchase and ownership experience the best it can be.